Student, this is our fourth video of long question answers of chapter 9. Question number 1 is, in what ways does education help a country? Answer, the nation development to a great extent depends on the people being educated and aware of national responsibility. Point number 2, please leave one line after writing point number 1. It's only the educated masses fully and properly understand the nation's needs and requirements. Point number 3, they can render useful assistance to their government in the process of nation building. Point number 4, education contributes to a great development, deal in discovery and developing human talent. Point number 5, it's because of this economists all over the world are the opinion that the world are of the opinion that the money spread on the educational sector is the safest investment which is about to fetch which benefits to a country or the nation. Point number 6, education does not mean a question of degree. It means awareness which is essential for character building. Point number 7, the basic purpose of education is to equip a person to serve his nation in the process of nation building and economic development. Point number 8, there should be plenty of modern educational institutions so that people can get it. Question number 2, in what ways the occupational groups are divided in work? Give the heading of occupational groups. Write a paragraph. There are 5 main groups of work, and inside each group are scores of different kinds of specialists. Give the heading of agriculture. This can be divided into those who mainly grow crops and those who rear animals. Though many do both, fishing and forestry are included in this group. Write the next point. Industry. Those who make things in factories and workshops. Builders. Engineers, people who make roads and various forms of transport. Next point, mining and quarrying. Those who obtain coal, metal ores, building rock, oil and gas from the earth are in this group. Next point, trade and commerce. People who buy and sell, these can be small shops or huge firms which send billions of rupees worth of goods all over the world. Behind all of these are the office workers, the communications people, designers, and all the many people who make trade possible. Last point is service. This is a fast growing area of employment in all countries. Service workers help to make life better for all of the people. This is question number 3. This is your homework. You will write the answer of this question. What job do you want to do after completing study? Again, I am telling you that yes, this question is the homework and you have to do it. And question is, what job do you want to do after completing study? Please make blanks, 20 or 25 blanks from your book, and please see the info and make the blanks of the info also. Thank you so much.